apparently coming down the wrong side of the mountain. So we might be lost. We're not lost. We're just a little route challenged. That's a good one. See, there's my friends. We'll figure it out. Cheyenne Crossing, here we come.
Is it your fault? Oh, hi. What's going on, girlfriend?
I was just telling this that we were route challenged. We are not lost.
No.
Oh, no, not at all. We're not even route challenged.
All it may be, worst case, is on the wrong side of the mountain. No
Means
big
we're a
deal.
little farther.
That just means we get to go back over the mountain again. Yay, mountain! It's funny how I keep turning the camera to me because it's a 360 camera.
Oh, so it doesn't matter.
Shouldn't have to do that.
It doesn't matter at all.
No.
It just goes to show you I'm kind of an idiot. I am camera challenged.